Hello everyone, today is an exciting day. I am super pumped for this video. I'm going to be giving away a lot of things to you subscribers, so stick with me. My name is Wade Thomas. I am the owner of Black Tie Bar and Candle Company. To all my subscribers, welcome back, and as always, thanks for tuning in. For everyone else, if you are interested in learning more about candle making and candle business, I would encourage you to subscribe. And while you're at it, hit the bell notification so you can be alerted to new videos that I post in the future. While this channel is new, it is growing quickly thanks to you all, and I will have a lot more videos and content coming your way soon. And because we're growing so quickly, that is the purpose of today's video. We are getting closer and closer to the 500 subscriber mark, and we've done that in just about a month and a half. And while I enjoy doing all the content, making the videos, and sharing information with all of you, and my experiences of making candles over the last 10 years, none of it really matters if you guys aren't all here to watch and engage. So I just want to show my appreciation to you for that. Now, if you were a subscriber a couple weeks ago when we reached 250 subscribers, I did a small giveaway at that time as well, just as kind of a quick welcome little thank you to your current subscribers. Well, we're getting closer to 500, and as I promised in the last giveaway, once we got close to 500, I'd be doing another one of these, and it's going to be bigger. Today is really a two-part video. The first part of this video is going to be that giveaway, and I'm going to tell you all the items we're going to be giving away, and we're going to be picking a winner once we reach 500. So, if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe now so you can qualify for that giveaway. Now, before I go any further, let me be clear. I really want you to be a subscriber for the content because you enjoy what I am providing, and you get value out of my videos, and you enjoy the way that I present the information in my videos. All that being said, it doesn't hurt to also subscribe so that you can get some giveaways as well. That's the first chunk of this video. And then also, as I've mentioned over the last several videos, many of you probably know by now, I am relocating. Big move. I'm going to be doing the next couple weeks finally. And so my operations have changed a lot in the last couple weeks, and they're going to for the next couple weeks as well. But the last part of this video today is really going to be related to the fact that I'm relocating. So stick around for that as well. All right, so let's start off with the giveaways. I'm going to be drawing 10 winners this time. Last time we did 2. This time I am drawing 10 winners. Once we reach 500 subscribers, I will do a video shortly after that and pull 10 winners at random from the commenters and subscribers in this video. 10 gifts. 10 winners for just 500 subscribers. Now, these gifts are going to range, and we'll go through them one by one so you can see what they are. Now, let's talk about how this contest is going to work. To be eligible for the contest, all you need to do is subscribe, give this video a like, and in the comment section, I want you to list the order of the items that you would like to win. Stay through for the end of this video, and you'll see all 10 things that I'll be giving away. All I want you to do in the comment is for you to give me the order of your preference for each one of those gifts, because I'll be drawing the winners at random, but the order in which I draw your name is going to get first dibs on what I'm giving away. Hopefully that makes sense. If you don't necessarily want to rank all 10 and you're only interested in 3 to 5, these are the ones you really want the most, then rank those, and then if you don't happen to get one of those, then you'll just get something at random from the rest. But that's all you have to do for this contest. Subscribe, hit the like button, and in the comment section, rank these giveaways in the order that you would prefer to win them if you had the choice. All right, with that being said, let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to be giving away is a Wick Dipper by Wickman. This is something that a lot of customers will buy from me, and so if you don't use these already, I would encourage you to try them out, and then if you like them, you can order them more in bulk as well and sell them to your customers. But I use them just around the house regardless, especially for the wicks that you don't necessarily like to blow out because of all the smoke. This wick trimmer or wick dipper just allows you to kind of hook the wick, dip it in the wax, and pull it back out. So I do use these sometimes. Customers really like these as well. So I'm going to provide one of those along with a black wick trimmer. The next item is the exact same thing, another wick dipper, except I'm going to give a different wick trimmer away. This is actually the one that I prefer and like to use myself. I really like the black ones, the look of the black ones, but this wick trimmer I've talked about in other videos is amazing. So it is a little bit different. It has a beveled bottom. It cuts to exactly 1/4 inch. It's just a really, really solid and well-made wick trimmer. That's the second giveaway. Number 3, a pluggable fragrance warmer. I know a lot of you already make melts, and maybe you just would like another warmer around the house, so I'm going to be giving away one of these. Number 4, it's another pluggable melter, but it's just a different look and feel. Both of these are sort of seasonal for the fall holiday. Number 5, this one is a large, full-size fragrance and melt warmer. So again, for all you wax melt manufacturers, you might really like these, but really all of us burn melts on a regular basis, so this was another gift we're giving away today as well. Number 6, I'm going to be giving away a 50-pack of clamshell wax melt containers. I'll show them right here in a screenshot just to remind you of what I'm talking about, make sure it's clear. And these I'll be shipping straight to you from Amazon rather than trying to box them up and ship them myself. And number 7, a 20-pack of silver stainless steel candle wick holders. These are the little devices you can put on the jar to help center and keep your wick nice and straight in the jar. Again, I will show a picture here just to make sure you understand what I'm referring to. Again, this is a 20-piece that I'll be shipping straight to you. And number 8, who couldn't use more candle warning labels? So I'll be sending out a roll of 500 warning labels meant for candles. So the size is the 1.5 by 1.5 inch, but again, they are round. And number 9, who couldn't use more fragrance samples? So number 9 and 10 are both giveaways of a fragrance assortment of sample 1 ounce sizes. The first one, so number 9 in this giveaway, is an assortment of 8 different fragrance oils and 1 ounce bottles from Aztec Candle Supplies. Again, this is a random assortment of 8 different oils. So if you're interested in this giveaway, this is number 9, the Aztec Fragrance Oil Sampler. And last but not least, number 10, the last giveaway for this contest is an assortment of 8 different 1 ounce fragrance sample oils from Candle Science. If you're interested in the fragrance oil sample from Candle Science, that is number 10, and just mention that in the comments as well. So that wraps up the 10 different items that were given away in this contest. Again, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, and in the comment section below, just put the order in which you prefer to win these if you have the choice. And now, when we hit the 500 subscribers, I will post another video shortly after, and I will do a drawing. In that video, you'll see me actually randomly draw the names, and I will go in the order of the winners that I draw to determine what prizes you get. Basically, if your name is drawn first, you get first pick. If your name is drawn second, you get second pick, and so on. So it is important to rank the prizes below in the order that you would like to receive them, because you never know if your name is going to be drawn or what order your name will be drawn in. I really hope everyone enjoys this giveaway. It's really fun to do. I love doing these, and I will do them more and more as the channel grows. So, big jump from 250 to 500. I really appreciate all of your support and all of your engagement on these videos so far. And more than anything, I really just appreciate the feedback. I like seeing the comments that everyone leaves and the feedback on how I deliver these videos and the content that I provide. So that means more to me than anything. And basically, I'll be spending, a couple $100s in these giveaways by the time I send them out to you all. But for me, that's completely worth it for the support that you're all giving this channel. So again, please subscribe if you're not already. And let's move on to the next part of this video. So the second part of this video is, again, related to the fact that I am relocating, which means I am taking down my entire workshop. In fact, I'm already halfway down doing that. And after next week, I will be permanently shut down for probably a month, which is kind of I'm just going to have to bite the bullet. I don't really want to be shut down that long, but I don't really have a choice because I'm doing a big move. And then once I get settled, I have to rebuild the workshop. So I have no idea how I'm going to do this yet. It's going to be a lot of work, but I'll try to keep you engaged and do videos along the way. Many of you might like to see the process of building the new workshop, so stay tuned for those videos. But because I'm relocating, I'm also downsizing on a few oils that fragrance oils that I just need to get rid of because I don't use them anymore. And it's not because there's anything wrong with them. It's just I already have way too many products and way too many choices. And for one reason or the other, I might have one that's a duplicate or something very similar. And so that's why I don't use these oils anymore. So what I plan on doing is selling some bottles of fragrance oil that I no longer use. Most of them are not opened, and they are still the full bottle the way I received them when I purchased them. A few of them have been open, and if anything, enough has been used of maybe like a sample just to do a tester, like 1 ounce, something like that. But those ones will be discounted even further. But I will be posting these, and I'll provide you the links to them, the quantity I have of them. Basically, all the oils I'm selling will be around 40 to 50 to 60% off of their normal cost if you were to go straight to the supplier to buy them. There will be shipping, of course, but so if you're going to buy them, I would highly suggest you buy more than one bottle. If you buy one bottle, just like if you buy one of anything online, the shipping seems kind of outrageous, right? You could buy one bottle of oil for $10, but still pay another 10 in shipping. But if you buy 2 or 3 of these bottles and the shipping's still only about $12, you're talking about a really good deal. So I would highly encourage you that if you are interested in any of these bottles of oils to consider buying multiple bottles. Many of the scents I have more than one bottle of, but maybe you want to try a few different scents as well. So if you are interested in this, I'm going to run through these and then I will tell you how to buy. First up, from Lone Star Candle Supply, I have a fragrance oil called Icicles. Now this one, it's kind of hard to it's kind of hard to describe. It's a little bit of kind of a wintry smell, but mixed with almost a kind of a men's cologne. It's really hard to describe. Again, I have one that's fairly similar, which is why I'm selling these. Now, both of these are unused full bottles. Roughly, they should be full. You know, I haven't really checked them since I purchased them, but I have never used these. All right, the next set of oils is all from Nature's Garden. And the next oil in particular is just straight caramel. Now, I have 2 of these. Again, neither bottle have been opened, and so they are the full amount. I don't really need to describe to you what caramel smells like. I think we all know. I wouldn't say it's a super light scent, but I wouldn't say it's a super strong scent either. It's somewhere in the middle. I know a lot of people that use caramel use it as a mixer with other oils, but some people do use it straight up by itself as well. So again, I have 2 bottles of caramel from Nature's Garden. Now, the next one from Nature's Garden, which might make a really interesting pairing with the previous oil, is graham crackers. Again, I have 2 bottles of graham crackers fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. Again, don't really need to describe to you the scent, but it could be an interesting pairing to mix it with the caramel and maybe a chocolate. You can make some kind of s'more smell. I don't know. But anyways, 2 bottles of graham cracker fragrance oil from Nature's Garden. All right, the next one from Nature's Garden is Christmas Cabin. This one's kind of difficult to explain, but it just reminds me of a nice, good winter Christmassy smell. It's got a little bit of a woodsy note and a little bit of kind of that Christmas hearth smell. A little bit, I can't really tell if there's some apple in there, but it's like a Christmas wreath type smell. So you can definitely smell some of the pine, but some fruit as well, and a little bit of kind of a woodsy fire smell as well. So this is a really interesting one, but I have 2 that are really similar to this already, and I already have them in so much larger quantities that it just doesn't make sense for me to keep these anymore. One is the full bottle, never been opened, and this one has been opened but only a little bit used as for testing. So again, this one will be much more discounted than this one. All of these are going to be highly discounted, as I mentioned, 40 to 60% off, but the ones that have been opened and a little bit used are going to be discounted even more. Oh, hey, by the way, I lied. I've got 3 graham crackers. Next up from Nature's Garden is Huckleberry Harvest. Now, this one's interesting to me. It's I guess I don't know really what a huckleberry smells like, because to me, I smell a little bit more, almost kind of a grapish cherry smell. I'm sure that's probably what a huckleberry smells like. I don't know. But anyways, Huckleberry Harvest. I have the 1 bottle for anyone that's interested in this. So that finishes up Nature's Garden oils. Let's move on to some from Aztec. So the first oils that I have from Aztec are chocolate brownie. Now, I am not a fan of chocolate brownie, nor am I a fan of chocolate fudge from Candle Science. I'm just not a big fan of chocolate, and that's the issue for me here. I know that a lot of candle makers use this particular oil. In fact, a few close friends of mine in the candle making industry use a lot of chocolate brownie, and it's one of their best sellers, and they just go through it like crazy. For me, I had no problem selling it when I was making it. I just don't make it anymore. So 2 bottles of chocolate brownie. Next up from Aztec is Winter Wonderland. And again, I just have so many winter scents that are kind of similar. I really don't know how to describe this one. I have no idea. I'm at a loss for words. It kind of reminds me of, man, someone help me out in the comments section. If you can describe what Winter Wonderland smells like, please help me out. It's nice. I just don't know what it smells like. I could be here all day trying to figure this one out. Yeah, I'm not even going to try. But it's called Winter Wonderland. It's from Aztec. You can go to Aztec's website and look at their description, and it's going to be much better than obviously I can do at describing what this smells like. But check out the reviews, see what you think about it, see if it's something you'd be interested in. But it is a full bottle, or near full bottle, if you're interested in this. And lastly from Aztec is Pine, Boughs, and Apple. This is a great scent. I love it. I love the scent of pine mixed with apple. Again, it's kind of like the Christmas Cabin a little bit, where it's kind of got that wreathy smell. It's definitely a Christmassy smell. The problem for me, I have so many like these already. And so I've got to get better at limiting my choices here. It gets too difficult because I'm like an impulse buyer for fragrance oils, like I know many of you are. Pine, Bough, and Apple, very good scent. If you're interested, it's the last one from Aztec. All right, so the last supplier that we're going to be going through today is Candle Science, and I've got 5 bottles of fragrance oils to give away from Candle Science. The first one is just Rose. I already have a Rose, and I've been using it for so long, and I know how it burns. I've already tested it, so I don't need to carry another Rose if anyone's interested. Next up, Peppermint Bark from Candle Science. This one, I know a lot of people that use this one, and it definitely does have a peppermint smell. and a little bit of that chocolate bark smell as well, for like you would use for baking. But it is a pepperminty smell, and I already have a couple peppermint smells that this one just doesn't really fit in for me and for my line of candles, but I know a lot of people like this. So if you're interested in peppermint bark from Candle Science, it's available. Next up from Candle Science is just called Christmas Tree. And once again, I already use several pines and spruces. I use a blue spruce, I use a crackling birch, I use a mistletoe, I use white birch. I've got so many tree type smells that I really just don't need another one. This definitely does have that kind of that Fraser fir or pine Christmas tree smell. It's no doubt about that. So if you're interested in Christmas Tree by Candle Science, I've got one bottle of that. And then I just talked about this one when I was talking about the chocolate brownie from Aztec, but this is Candle Science's chocolate fudge. Same thing as I talked about earlier. It's just not my thing. I don't sell many chocolate fragrances at all. And if I do, they're usually just kind of mixed in with something. But if you are interested in chocolate fudge and you use it and you just want another bottle of it, especially at a 50% discount, this could be yours. And last but not least is Candle Science's cinnamon and vanilla. This is true to name. Smells exactly like cinnamon and vanilla, but I have other cinnamons. I have a cinnamon chai and I've got a cinnamon buns. And so again, it's just a little bit redundant for me to continue to carry this. So I just have one full bottle or nearly full bottle of cinnamon and vanilla. And so if you are interested in this, it will be available as well. Just one bottle of this. So that wraps up the fragrance oil bottles that I have to sell. They're all 16-ounce bottles. Of course, Nature's Garden sells theirs by volume, whereas Candle Science and Aztec sell theirs by weight, of course. So I'm just selling them to you, and I'll put in the amount in the description. I will put the same type of measurement that the actual supplier uses. So I will sell it by volume if it's Nature's Garden, or weight if it's the other two. It should also let you know how many are in stock, or if you try to add more than I have in stock, it will reject it or update it for you. So you're probably wondering, how do you get your hands on these if you're interested? I'm going to create a specific collection of these products on my website, and it will be open just in a collection for supplies and clearance for you all. So it's not going to be obviously among my candles and melts. So I'll leave a link to the collection where you can purchase these from my website in the description below, and they are first come, first serve. You can just select what you want, put in your address, shipping information. To me, that's the easiest way to do this, is just to use my website, because I already have an e-commerce and shipping built into it. They will all be listed at their discounted rate. You don't have to use a coupon or a code or anything like that. They were going to be priced at the discounted rate. Hopefully that works out for all of you. Again, as a reminder, purchasing one bottle is not going to, it's going to be kind of expensive on shipping, just like for many other suppliers. So, I would encourage you to buy, at least 2 bottles if you are interested, just to make it a little more economical for you. I hope this video has been helpful. Again, if you are interested, just visit the link to the website where you can purchase these at a steep discount from me, and then wish me luck when I relocate. I really hope everyone enjoyed the contest that we're doing and the giveaway, and it's something that all of you can use. I know, broken down individually, none of them are super elegant prizes, but it's just nice to be able to give away several different things to several different winners. And so I'm having fun with it. I hope you have fun with it. And again, let's get to 500 subscribers. And when we do, all these things ship out to you. So good luck in the contest. Once again, give this video a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I really hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.